In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect your Google credentials to your n8n in just a few minutes, so you can get started with creating all your AI automations and connect your Google tools to your AI agents. Just follow this video step by step and you'll be ready to go. Oh, and also, don't worry, you don't need to do this for every Google tool like Docs or Drive. Just do it once and you can connect it to all your Google tools. So let's get right into it, and don't forget to subscribe. So let's go to Google Docs, for example. So I already have my own Google account. But I'll just create another one just for this video. So what you need to do is you just need to get the client ID and the client secret. And if you just have these two, you can connect all your Google tools here, including Google Drive and Google Slides, Google Sheets, etc. I'll show you how to set this all up. So when you create your credentials, you want to connect using OAuth, which is selected by default. And we're going to copy this later, and then yeah, we just need to get the client ID and the secrets. And if you open the docs here, you can get step-by-step instructions as well, but it's better to create a video out of this and to show you step-by-step visually how you can do it. So first, in order to connect Google to n8n, you will need to create a Google Cloud account, which you can do so by going onto cloud.google.com, and once you have, you want to go onto the console. So once you're here on the console, you want to click up here and then select new project. Type in your project name, so demo, and then yeah, select your organization and location, click create. So now what we want to do is we want to click on here and then select demo. And then what we do now is click on the navigation bar and then go down to API and services, OAuth consent screen. Click get started and enter your app name, demo. I'll enter my email and then external. So you have to select external for production use, and then I'll just enter my email. Next, I agree, continue, create. And then what we want to do now is we want to create OAuth client. Select web application, and then what we want to do here is select type in your name here, and then for authorized redirect URI, so what you want to do is here is click add URI and then go back to your n8n, copy this and then paste it into here. So yeah, that's it. Click create, and yeah, this is your client ID, so you can view it later, but we will be using this later on. So click OK for now, and then we have more to do. So we want to go under audience here. So now what we want to do is we want to click on add users, and I'll add myself as a test user. Yep, that's done. So now we're here under data access. Now we want to think about what we want to do with the Google tools in n8n. Let's add or remove scopes. So let's say for Google Drive. So we search up Google Drive, and then we can decide which Google Drive scopes that we're going to add. So see and create your Google Drive files that were created or edited. So yeah, we'll just add these. We'll just add some for just the purpose of this video. Yeah, we'll select these 3 Google Docs, and then yep, you just basically want to look through these and think about what you want to do with n8n. So yep, yeah, let's just add these for now, just for this video. And then yep, we've added these, and now you want to go down, click save. And then that's not the end of it yet, so we want to go to the navigation menu. We want to go to marketplace, and then you want to select all the apps that you want to use within n8n. So we'll just wait for this to load. So now let's search up Google Sheets, for example. Now you just want to click on Google Sheets API, and then you want to click enable. Now, as you can see here, Google Sheets has been enabled, meaning that you can now use Google Sheets within n8n to create new spreadsheets or add new rows or delete records, things like that. So now you just want to repeat this for every app that you plan to use within n8n. So we'll go back to OAuth consent screen. And then every time you add a new app, make sure that you have the right scopes in here. So now we're back in the scopes, and we want to add these to our list of scopes that we allow. So once you do that, always remember to click save. Okay, now that is done. So let's go back to n8n. Now let's connect this. So in order to do so, we want to go to clients, access our credentials. And what we want to do here is now we just want to copy the client ID paste it into client ID, and then copy the secret, and then paste it into the secret, and then sign into Google. And then you want to sign in, verify yourself. Yep, connection has been successful. Now that means you can now use Google Docs within n8n now, so you can create or delete depending on whichever scopes that you chose. So anyways, we can do the same thing for Google Sheets. Now we can do the same for every single Google app that we added to our Google Cloud. So yeah, in order to do the same for Google Sheets, you just basically use the same client ID and client secret in here. So just copy and paste that. Let's do this for every single app that you'll be using within n8n. So yeah, go into sign in with Google, verify yourself. Yep, so that's done. And now just do the same for every single app that you'll be using. So Google Drive, you can do the same thing. And then once you do all that, you can now use whichever app that you authorized within n8n. So yeah, you just basically do the same thing for all your Google apps, whether it's Google Ads, Google Chat, or like Google Calendar. But a few apps, like for example Google Ads, what you'll need to do is you will need to get a developer token. So I won't be covering that in this video, but you should see the instructions within Google. So that was it for this quick tutorial in connecting your Google credentials onto n8n. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe, comment if it did, or if you need any further help. You can also join my free school community, the AI Avengers, down below, where you can access my n8n and AI agent templates and my SaaS Jarvis to get you started straight away with using or selling them. If you want to work with me to have the AI ecosystem built out for you, or need personalized one-on-one AI consulting, book a call down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you with another video.